Since last 4 weeks, approximately 4 weeks, these Bengaluru City Police, the law and order, the traffic, the crime wing, all are doing their best efforts to see that the 31st December celebrations pass off peacefully. More than peacefully, we want it in a very grand manner, so that that is why we released this hashtag of celebrate responsibly. We have been following it since then, and today in this press meet through, I wanted to inform that all the proper bandosts are in place. Approximate 20,000 forces are being deployed of all types. This includes anti-terror cells also, traffic also, civil police also, home guards and civil defense. And we are emphasizing more on women staff also. This time we are putting KSRP platoons, which will be exclusively women. Some extra platoons of women platoons in the CBD area. We are not going to allow beyond a reasonable number of people to crowd in one place. Through AI operated cameras, we will get the feedback and we will take a call accordingly. We will restrict entry and keep people in holding areas. This time we have introduced a new thing based on past experiences. We are pressing into service BMTC and some tempo traveler private buses at fixed points. Those points have been given in the where public after the celebration can immediately go, because in previous years we have found that there was the establishments that anything going wrong inside the establishment should be immediately reported to us. It should not become a problem for a law and order problem, and we will verify all their capacity. Beyond capacity, if they are taking, then cases have to be booked, and we have asked the concerned departments also to keep a check on that. Main emphasis on women's safety and crowd control. Many areas have been designated which are having women help desk, police umbrellas, ambulances, fire tenders, and watchtowers. All across the city, we have watchtowers 78 in numbers, women help desk 164 in number, police umbrellas around 46 in number, and ambulances are 5, and fire tenders around 37. These are the deployed actual on the locations in different places. And we have strictly enforcing the drunken driving drive since last 6 days. Every night we are doing a massive drunken drive operation, and till now in 6 days only 3,300 drunken driving cases have been booked. We will continue this till 31st, and we are sure that with all this in place, all our officers and men will really help in the public in good celebration in a proper manner. For those anti-social elements, for rowdies or any bad characters who try to disrupt, we have facial recognition cameras and many cameras which have been added to the system through magic boxes, which will keep an eye on them, and we will take action against them. We have warned the establishments not to allow things which are illegal. If they don't follow our regulations, which we have already told them, we will take strict action even after the date on 31st. Thank you.
Sir, this initiative is very good regarding the buses at fixed points, but we know the behavior of the crowd. Don't you think there will be security inside the buses, because it will be chaotic?
No, you are correct. Every bus will have a police staff, and this time we will have CCTVs at the parking places and lighted also. So I don't think so there will be any problem. We will monitor those movements also.
Sir, BMTC bus police.
Yes.
Sir, metro sir.
Ali, security.